Subtraction math quiz question. Question number 1. 3 multiplied by 5 is equal to option A 19, option B 15, option C 18, option D is 17. The correct answer is option B 15. Question number 2. 3 multiplied by 9 is equal to option A 26, option B 27, option C 21, option D is 25. The correct answer is B 27. Question number 3. 4 multiplied by 8 is equal to option A 36, option B 38, option C is 32 and option D is 34. Your correct answer is 32. Question number 4. 5 multiplied by 4 is equal to option A 25, option B 35, option C 20 and option D is 40. The correct answer is option C 20. Question number 5. 6 multiplied by 7 is equal to option A 42, option B 48, option C is 36, option D is 52. The correct answer is option A 42. Thank you for watching.